dollar. And the pound is, we had the big structure point, which is the 159.80. All of you know how big, how powerful the 159.80 is. And we had a long point initially at 159. We traded above the 159 all the way up to above the 159.80, and we now closed the week at 160.30. It's an impressive move. It's an impressive close. I mean, you can see the move that we came above the 159.80. We had it follow. It behaved as per our expectation. It pushed higher. It closed at 106.30. The high of the day is 106.50. This is not a distressed close. It is a normal close. We should be looking for a continuation. It's going to be an interesting week, to say the least. I mean, it will be an interesting week because of all the closes that has been extreme because of what happened. So I will look for the intraday for an entry. The high of the day is 160.50, and the next structure point is 160.64. So we'll play it by the rules. So we will buy this above 160.50, which is the high of the day. We have a structural long point at 160.64, and if I buy it at 160.50, I'm going to place my stop I have no idea what this 161.15 is. I don't know what this 161.15 is. I don't usually use the magenta lines, so probably it's one of the, it hasn't been there for a while, so these are two lines that I'm going to delete because they are probably have been a long point or a short point from before. We don't have a structural failure, we don't have nothing, so I'm only going to short it below the 159.80 right there. This is going to be my short. So I'm shorting the pound dollar below the 159.80. That's going to be my short point, and it is going to be my short stop. So for the pound dollar, I am buying it above the 160.50, and if I do, I have a structural point just 15 pips above my long entry, which should be good, pull us up at 160.64, and my stop is going to be the 160. I'm going to put my stop below the market side. It's too hard. It's a little bit big, but that's what we have to do. We'll put my stop below the market side at 160. On the short side, I'm going to go short below the structure point, which is the 159.80. That's going to be my short entry, and it is going to be my stop. Okay, that is the